Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Let's take a look and check out this 1969 Chevy Camaro. This thing is powered with an LS7 454 that's been freshly rebuilt, and it's documented with the trams. Performace RPM aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb, MSD electronic ignition, 4-speed manual with an M21. That's right, M21. Power steering, power disc brakes, 12 Bolt Posi rear end with a 373 gear, so you could do some cruising. Body's real straight. Bucket seats, center console. Just absolutely beautiful car. It's been put together magnificent. Dual exhaust, it sounds great. Just got done driving it. Suspension, braking, handling is good. No stories. Everything works on this car the way it should. It is a heater delete car. It's a real rally sport that's badged with Z28 on it. Look at that, stamps. It's got the traction bars underneath there. BF Goodrich radial TAs. It's done right. Paint has great shine and depth to it. Just real deep. Look at it. It's like a mirror. See how straight this thing is. Got the Cortez Silver stripes on there that are painted in. Car is very, very powerful. Just got done driving it and it pulls and wants to just keep going. Clutch is great. Braking is phenomenal. Nice car. Suspension nice and tight. Front bumper's in good shape. Headlights enclosed but are working. Front fairing, fog lights on the bottom. Cortez Silver stripes painted in with the 454 badging on the hood. Your wipers are working the way they should. Hood lines up good. Yeah, no brakes at all in the lineup. Badge Z28, Rally Sport. Front fender's in good shape. Right gap on the door, lines up good. Through the fender, lines up right. The gap is right. All your chrome and glass are in good shape. Front windshield, good shape. All your chrome, even on the bottom. Nothing to be found on this side. Trunk lines up well. Rear glass is good. That's the way it should. Rear fin is good. Rear chrome is good. Your lights are intact and working. One chip in here. That could be touched up. Passenger quarter, no stories, no chips. Passenger door lines up great with the right gap. Onto the fender, it gaps well, the way it should. Antenna intact. Again, Rally Sport, badge Z28. Front fender's in great shape. Like they say, straight as an arrow. Some extra parts are going to go along in the trunk. I'll show you that real quick and then we'll go in the interior. Trunk as well. All your weather stripping's good. Trunk is in good shape. Real nice. traction bars, 12 bolt Posi. Take a look inside. Back seat's in good shape. Rear deck is good with 6x9s in there. Headliner's in good shape. Dome light is working. Sun visors are intact. Your front seats are great. No story. Door panel. Original welds. No rust to be found. Carpets are all good. 4-speed manual. M21 with a Hurst shifter. Your dash pad's good. Steering wheel's in good shape. 8,730 miles since it's been done. Aftermarket tach. All your gauges that you need. Get your cassettes out. Fuel gauge is working. Clean, clean, clean. Let's start this beast up. Great sound. Steering, power brakes, all your hoses and belts are in great shape. Sounding car, nice cam in there. So if you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 630 to a 739, go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. 10% down minimum, up to 84 months, and hit apply now where the car's at. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Usually an approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down, again, up to 84 months with good rates. If you need quotes on shipping anywhere in the United States, enclosed or open, bonded and insured to your front door, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All the photos, pictures, descriptions, and video are online at our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, from 10 to 2 on Saturday, by appointment only. Call me, I'll set you up an appointment. It's 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook at MGM Classic Cars. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll be seeing more of me. Thanks.